Through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of Makajos, marunong, and malinis.
University Vision, a leading local university known to develop excellence in virtuous professionals, or catalyst of progress for both the local and global communities.
We carry the vision, we live the mission.
We are not just students.
We are future leaders.